Hey folks, welcome back. It's good to be back in a new year here at Health and Performance Center with the new crew. We want to be giving you more information, and so today we're going to talk New Year's resolutions. I'm sure those who frequent local gyms are pretty upset that you can't get your normal spot on your treadmill because everybody and their grandmother and their grandmother's dog has a New Year's resolution to get things done this year. Unfortunately, when we look at statistics, we find out that many New Year's resolutions, as far as physical activity and physical body change, they generally fail, and they fail miserably. And it's frustrating for people. They know change needs to be made. They want to make improvements, but they continuously fail to get the job done. Well, the big question with that is why? Why do these failures occur? And generally, there's two reasons that they occur. The first is injury. Okay, you go in, someone goes in, wants to make the physical changes that they know they need to make for their general health and for their physiological and psychological appearance, but they go at it in a way that their body's not able to sustain. And so they run into an injury, and it's very frustrating and almost depressing because the things that they need to do they can't do because of running into injury. So that's a very tough thing and a reason why things fail. The other one is just poor planning. Okay, it's one thing is the person might not develop the habit, and things go good for their first couple of weeks, and then they dwindle and dwindle and dwindle. The other thing is that what they're doing might not be effective for who they are, what they need to, what they're striving for. And both of those kind of go together. If you're doing something as far as physical activity, which isn't always the most fun thing in the world, and you're not getting your results, will you continue to do it? Obviously, the answer is no. You're only going to do things that give you that response. So we look at this and say, okay, if we know what the major reasons are for this general failure in New Year's resolutions, what do? What's the solution? And we here at Health and Performance Center try and provide that merger. There's obviously a lack of association between what we understand as health and what we understand as fitness. If there wasn't, this would not be the case. So what we try and do is really bridge that gap between health and fitness, trying to make sure that you're safe, okay, with your body as you go through all these stresses to improve your system. The other thing is that you got a great plan, that you know what you're doing, that you have a lot of things that can produce variability in your workout. So it stresses your system optimally, but it's also fun because you're not just going in and doing the same thing over and over again, kind of feeling like a sheep with the herd. That's not a very fun thing to do. So what we definitely provide is this merger between health and fitness, and we do that through Progress Care. Okay, so for those of you who have never been to the office, what we can do is take care of you, really put you in this great situation for a high success rate with your New Year's resolution. For those of you who've come in before and gotten good pain relief but are looking to make some significant changes, we have some new treatment plan options for you to make sure that this resolution, this year in 2013, is a great year for you. If we can help you, we would love to. So give us a call and take care.